Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Slack workspace to add a vital layer of security to your account and team data. Step 1. Navigate to Workspace Settings. To begin, you need to access the administrative side of your Slack workspace, where security protocols are managed. Click on the admin icon in the left sidebar. From the menu that appears, select Workspace Settings. This will open the Management Console in your web browser. This is the central hub where you control how your team interacts with Slack, from emoji permissions to high-level security protocols. Step 2. Access the Authentication tab. Slack has updated its interface to group all login-related security into one dedicated section. Look at the navigation bar at the top of the page and select the Authentication tab. In the past, 2FA settings were buried under General Security. Now, this tab acts as a new page hub for all your configuration needs. By moving these to a separate page, Slack allows for more granular control over how members verify their identity before entering the workspace. Step 3. Configure your authentication method. Now you can choose the specific secondary layer of protection you want to enforce or use. Locate the two-factor authentication section and click the Configure or Setup button, which may open in a new tab or overlay. Choose Google Authenticator or your preferred auth app. A QR code will appear on your screen. Open the Google Authenticator app on your phone, tap the plus icon, and scan the code. Enter the 6-digit code provided by the app back into Slack to verify the link. This method is the standard for 2026 because it's much more secure than SMS and works even when your phone is offline. To secure your Slack workspace in 2026, navigate to Workspace Settings, select the Authentication tab from the top menu, and open the Configuration page to link a mobile app like Google Authenticator. This adds a mandatory second step to every login, keeping your team's data safe from unauthorized access. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.